Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, my question is related to Google Ads. Your ad strength is poor because you are missing ad extensions, but where exactly can you add extensions? I can't find the ad extensions section anywhere, and no, I'm not running a smart campaign. Okay, so that is good that you know the difference between a smart campaign and a regular campaign. For those who don't know, the smart campaign is a quick campaign, without any settings configured, and that usually gets very less, conversions, but can get clicks and highly, not relevant traffic. But you may have to pay up eventually more because the lesser, the complexity is, the lesser conversions you are going to get, because the Google Ads or Facebook Ads program is designed in such a way that the more complex or the more intense targeting you do, the better results you can find out. So I can appreciate that there is a difference between a smart campaign and a regular campaign. But now, for those who don't know, if I open now, this is one of the sample count dashboard, and if I click on campaign, I can see over here ads, and if I click on ads, I can find ad extensions over there. But if people get a question like this, your ad strength is poor because you're missing ad extensions, doesn't necessarily mean that they can't run ads. They can run ads, but the problem is that the ads will have less reach, and the less I mean uh, reach and high CPC, and lesser people will be able to see it. So let me do a refresh over here due to the slow internet over here, or I can open over here, add over here. I just want to see if I can load over here or anywhere. Even I have this one as well. I may can try it on here as well. Okay, so now it's, so I can even show you on this as well. I mean, I opened so many tabs, but okay, not over here. This is, I can wait over here. See over here now. This is a regular campaign, and in assets, you can see over here. In assets, you can see the ad extensions. That are being shown along with the ad, and you can add different extensions. Even I recommend people that for those people who don't know about different ad extensions, they can use a tool. While it gets loaded, I'm going to tell you about the tool. This is a Caroya tool, and here you can see how your ad is going to use if I add different extensions. Like this is a styling extension, and it will show over here like this one. If I remove this one, you can see over here that the styling extensions have been removed. If I remove the location extension, you can see over here that people cannot see my number, or they cannot call me. And this is advertiser rating extension, and it is by this one. Then there's also a price extension. There is also deal extensions as well. So not all extensions are over here. You can see over here that this is extension tab. It is also being called ad assets, and you can see that the client is using different ad assets like styling extensions, logos over here. So all thing related to ad, this is the phone number. So in case if you're looking how to add extension, go to your ad assets, select the plus button over here, and the extension you want to add, you can add over here as well. So the promotion, you can get deals, discount, styling extension, business logo, business name, call out extension, location, price. You can add any extension accordingly from over here. Let's say I'm going to add styling extension over here. I will, once I select the styling extension, I will be redirected to another page. Over that page, I can write the styling extension. Like over here, the styling extension, over here, you can see over here like this one. These are the styling extensions, like show to headline, styling extension one. Okay, I can tell about different features or different, like I can have it on about us, wires. I can have it special deals. So I can make it like this as well. So you can see over here that the ad extension is now available. I can create a new, I can use an old one. I can select my account. I want to add an account, I want to add on a campaign, or I want to add to a specific group. I can do it over here. This is going to be a reviewer over here again. Like I can add it a side link number one. I can also add, or I can have it about us, find more about us. Okay, I can add this as a description line added, and I can, have my URL added over here as well. So I can add up to 3 to 4 extensions over here. So once I add it, usually it's going to preview me, and then I can save it. Again, adding extensions is not necessary, but it is always recommended. why it is recommended, because this helps in improving your quality score, also the attention of the user, and people gets an ads with open extensions gets more catchy, more attractive, more intensive, and that is why people are more prefer to click on those ads with ad extensions, and they also have more authority, and people are much more likely to click on those ads. So I definitely recommend it to add into ad extensions. But in case if you're still confused, or if you're looking for a professional help with the Google Ads audit, setup, or management, me and my team can definitely help you. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we're going to make sure to get an awesome Google Ads campaign for you, even audit an existing campaign. So I look forward working with you. In case if you have any questions left, again, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. But once again, I look forward working with you. So do hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.